Texas Democrats boycotted a legislative session and blocked the vote on a controversial election reform bill by staging a walkout. Democrats denied the House a quorum for a vote.
You to know the truth on that bill. They don't want you to know how they don't want to see you at the polls. They don't want you to know that you have rights. But we're going to be your voice. We're going to speak up and be that person for you so that your voice will not be silenced and they will hear from you.
It is almost certain for the House to pass this bill. Texas House of Representatives is dominated by Republicans and Governor Greg Abbott strongly supports this bill. The bill aims to restrict mail-in voting system. It requires voters to give more information. It bars local election officials from sending absentee ballot applications to those who have not asked for it. The measure would also eliminate drive-through voting and 24-hour polling centers. Now remember, drive-through voting played a crucial role in getting Black and Latino voters to polling booths during the 2020 presidential election. The bill requires voting to take place between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. It also aims to impose a whopping $1,000 fine a day on local poll officials who do not follow prescribed procedures. The bill empowers partisan poll watchers. It allows them more access inside polling stations. Election officials who restrict their movement might face criminal penalties. Texas is the last big battleground for the Grand Old Party. They wish to tighten voting laws nationwide. The effort is driven by former U.S. President Donald Trump's claims that the 2020 election was stolen and rigged. U.S. President Joe Biden has called the Texas bill an assault on democracy. Texas already has some of the country's tightest voting restrictions. It is one of the few states that did not make it easier to vote by mail during the pandemic. Experts say that Trump's defeat in at least 14 states triggered lawmakers to introduce restrictive voting laws. This year alone, nearly 400 bills have been filed across the United States of America that aim to restrict voting. Republican lawmakers in Texas insist that changes are needed to restore confidence in the voting process.
Mr. Guerin moves the House adjourned at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.